subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has launched its new 5G enabled smartphone under 5 series in Taiwan called Vivo Y55. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo Y55 5G supports a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio and 90.6% screen to body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset coupled with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM that can be extended up to 1GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Vivo Y55 5G features a triple camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f1.8 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 based on OneTouchOS 12 skin on top, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also includes Multi-Turbo 5.0 plus Gamebox 2.0 feature for better performance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164 by 75.84 by 8.25mm, and it weighs around 187 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo Y55 5G has been priced in Taiwan at 7,990 new Taiwan dollars, and it will be available for purchase in the country in Galaxy Blue and Star Black color options. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y55 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.